Hey everyone, I just wanted to talk to you about a project I'm working on that's going to put a lot more of my videos in your YouTube subscription page. Just short videos, a minute or less. So while I'm talking about that, I'll give you some more interesting things to look at than me. I tried a podcast and it didn't really take off, and I think it's because most people don't want to listen to me talk for that long, which is fair. Attention spans are short, which is why YouTube Shorts was created. So, I like learning about various gearhead topics, and I don't want to stop. So I'm going to try and fit into a YouTube Shorts format. Instead of a 20-30 minute podcast. I'll take some topic like a motorcycle manufacturer or an auto manufacturer, famous racetracks or races, all that kind of gearhead stuff, and I'll tell you about it in 60 seconds or less. I'll be able to cover way more topics this way. It takes a lot less time to research a 1-minute video versus a 20-minute video. The fancy word for this is dilettante, or a person who cultivates an area of interest without any real commitment or depth of knowledge. The kind of person who takes half a spoonful of every single thing offered in the buffet line. I don't really know what I like, so I'll try a bit of everything. Maybe you'll see a topic you're really interested in and take off with it to learn more on your own about that topic. So, for some inside information on how YouTube works, if you post every day or very frequently, you are more likely to get your videos shown to people who don't subscribe, and new viewers make up 85% of my total views right now. Hoping that posting, some of these I'll tell you in a minute videos each day will increase that feature video likelihood. And that's what I'm going to call this series, I'll tell you in a minute. I've been on YouTube for 13 years now, and I never did it to be famous or make any real money, and I accomplished that goal of not making it. Most of my videos are showing how to... My most successful videos are showing how to change a radiator thermostat, or a bike review I shared on some message board or forum. 7,000 something subscribers as of this video. I think it's going to be about 7,200, 7,250, somewhere in there. It really isn't that much on YouTube. It's where a lot of people's channels actually took off from, but again, I don't expect that. I'm doing this new video series for the same reason as the podcast, which is mainly to educate myself, and maybe you'll learn something as well. With a daily video schedule, I'm hoping to push myself to accomplish a little more in my daily life and maybe reach a larger audience while I'm at it. So we will see where this project takes us. So this is a 4-minute video. All of the videos in the future for this I'll Tell You in a Minute series are going to be 60 seconds or less, including the next one, which just kind of explains this again, but shorter for the actual minute format. So make sure you're subscribed. It'll keep showing up for you, and hopefully we'll reach more of an audience. If not, whatever. We'll see.